Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday, where I take one of my easy 30-minute loaded potato recipes, tuna noodle casserole, and show you how simple and ridiculously delicious these meals are. Cost about $1.50, ready in 20 minutes using items straight from your cupboard. No worrying about thawing the meat or dicing the vegetables. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I'm the I hate to cook master, and I've hacked the system. Martha Stewart rigged it, and I figured out how to make delicious quick meals using just what's in your pantry for about $1 or $2. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure that you never have to worry about dinner again. Delicious, flavorful tuna noodle casserole is always a hit at my family, and they are always asking for seconds. It's so easy, just dump it all into one pot, boil, stir, and you've got dinner. So let's go. So for starters, we're gonna take one pot, and we're gonna start by adding one 12-ounce can of drained tuna. Next, we're gonna add one 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushrooms and 1 can of drained peas. Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of dried onions, a 1/4 cup of milk powder, a 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Should be looking something like this. And now we're just gonna stir it all together. All right, once you got it all stirred around and it's looking something like this, kind of looks not great, but it smells really good. Next, we're gonna add 16 ounces of egg noodles and top it with 6 cups of water. Now we're just gonna stir it all together again. All right, once you got it all stirred together and it's looking something like this, now we're going to cover it and put it on our stove, turn it to medium-high, and we're gonna bring it to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until all the noodles are cooked and ready. Once it comes to a rolling boil, after about 10 minutes, turn it down to low simmer and let the noodles finish cooking. All right, once your noodles have finished cooking, turn your heat off completely and your tuna noodle should be looking something like this. So creamy, smells so good, so savory, and so delicious. So now the only thing left to do is dish up and enjoy. This is so good. Every time I make it, I totally forget how good it is. And I know my kids love it so much, but every time I make it, I remember exactly why. It is so creamy, so flavorful, so easy, and so delicious. Let me know in the comments if you love one-pot meals as much as I do. So easy. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your cupboard. And check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. Oh, shoot. Now, I made this tuna noodle casserole to serve 5, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org, and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people. Which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry so you can make it anytime, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.